let's do this again and have an even better time. Now, we do expect that you will define each variable. We'll say H is the number of hot chocolates with whipped cream, that G is the number of gingerbread cookies. We write our two equations. One of our equations is the number of hot chocolates, the number of gingerbread cookies is 1,250 items, and then what they cost, $3 for every hot chocolate and $2 for every gingerbread cookie, for a total of $2,950. Okay, well, there's a point. There's a point. There's a point. Okay, now, a really fun way would be to write the augmented matrix. And that augmented matrix would have our coefficients and our constants. A 1 in front of H, a 1 in front of G, 1,250. 3 in front of H, 2 in front of G, 2,950. Okay, well, that's got to be a point. Not sure how many points we've got, but one of the things we're looking for is ref. Just the word ref. So we go to our calculator. We press second matrix. After we press second matrix, we want to edit a matrix. So you're doing second matrix. Then you're going to edit. This matrix is 2 rows by 3 columns. You will enter every element, the 1, the 1,250, the 3, the 2, the 2,950. Next, you're going to press second quit clear. Okay, second quit clear. Now go back and press second matrix. We want to do some math. So you're going to scroll over and select math. We're going to scroll up a little or down a lot and select ref. Calculator opens parentheses and says ref what? You press second matrix and you recall your matrix. Maybe it's matrix A and you hit enter. And you hit enter again and voila, the answer. We've got 1s on the diagonal, 0s everywhere else, 450 up top, 800 down low. The top number is going to be H. That means we've got 450 hot chocolates. And we've got 800 gingerbread cookies. But let me not be too lazy. Let's just go ahead and write this out. 450 hot chocolate. And 800 gingerbread cookies. Yay!